Hi, Valerie. How are you? I'm Lee.
Good. Oh, hi, Lee. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So we got an email you sent in.
Yep.
And something about your lawn. What do you got going on?
Yeah, well, it was okay, but then I started getting brown spots
Okay.
over the summer and just kind of wondering what to do about that.
I think maybe a couple things, the drought that we had this year, so lack of water and the humidity, and looks like we might also have some crabgrass issues. But overall, you know, the property looks really nice. The lawn is nice and level, looks really good. But I think the way to solve that issue is I think if we overseed it, and that will help for later in the season, and then next spring it'll pick up, it'll look really great. Okay. But I think what we definitely need to do is aerate the lawn, you know, let it breathe, and then solve some of the issues with the brown spots.
Sounds good to me.
So Val, this is an aerator, core aerator.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
This will put cores in the ground, and 7 rows of them, and it gets into that thatch layer. All right, and then you can rent these from box stores, you know, or a rental center. But these things work really, really well.
Oh, all right.
Okay.
And why do you aerate again?
I want to aerate to get some nutrients down in there, fertilizers, oxygen, and water, obviously.
So it puts holes in the ground.
Yes, it does.
And then it pulls up.
It pops the cores up. It almost looks like goose droppings.
Oh.
Okay.
Great. Okay.
All right. So that's one way of looking at it.
Okay. And I can operate this
Yeah, I'm
machine?
going to show you how to operate it.
Really?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have your ear protection?
I do have my ear
All
protection.
right. So we're good to go.
Excellent.
So you have a throttle here. Give it a little gas.
Okay.
What we're going to do is go all the way down and go all the way around. Okay?
Is it going to go fast?
We'll just play with it real simple. It's like a clutch in a car.
Okay. So
Okay?
gentle.
Real gentle.
Okay.
All right? So put the bar down there. We talked about it. Be careful. Go ahead. Beautiful.
Okay.
Nice job.
Okay.
Just a little bit.
Okay.
Okay?
Here we go.
Here we go. Nice. Real nice.
What happens to the cores?
The cores break down, and it will help the lawn out even more. I'd like to aerate at least 3 times a year. Early spring's a good time. Midsummer's a really good time, in the fall. Okay, Val. So we have some products here now that we want to do after we aerate it.
Okay.
Okay. We're gonna
Seems like a lot of steps.
It is a lot of steps, but we're going to combine it together. So it's, you know, single it down.
Okay.
So what we got is we have some grass seed. Okay. I got this here, which is a tall fescue. Okay. And then I have over here another one that's like a Kentucky blue, but the two mixed together will look really nice when it's done.
Do they grow at the same rate?
Yes, it grows the same rate, and they'll blend in, and it'll be really pleasing to the eye.
Oh, how come you use 2 different ones?
Well, if you use one specific one, you can get some diseases and issues like that. Blending them both back and forth, it helps a lot, and it's also aesthetic, looks really good.
Great.
And then we have our starter fertilizers, okay? And the numbers on here, and this is the one we want the phosphate in the middle. That's for the root growth, and that helps the seed grow,
Oh, okay.
okay? And the nitrogen one, we do that in the springtime, you know, and that's for color and for growth, quick growth. But we've got to start off with this.
Oh.
This is the black magic right here. This is gold. So this is what we want, compost.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's really nice stuff. And that's going to get into the holes that we core aerated.
Okay.
And so all 3 of these materials will get down inside there. And then we top it off with this peat moss, this maroon color. So it's nice and light now, but when we water, I want it to be a nice dark color. So that's when we know when we need to water. When it lightens up.
Oh, and it's a lighter color? Okay.
And this incubates the seed and as well. So we're good to go. All right.
Great.
All right, let's get going. We got to throw some, what are we throwing? Some compost.
Okay, let's get the wheelbarrows.
Okay. I'm going to give you this shovel. I'll let you do this one, but this is what I want you to do. Just take the shovel and just go like this. That's it. Okay?
Okay.
I'm just going to cascade it.
And you want kind of even coverage?
Yes. We don't want too big for clumps. If it does get clumpy, we'll rake it out with the rake. That's all.
Oh, okay.
This is going to enrich the soil even more than what it is. Okay, so we got the fertilizer in now. Now what we're going to do is spread it out. You don't want to open this up here because it will just dump it out.
Oh, okay. So I got to get going first.
Get going first
and then
open it up.
Okay.
Exactly. I set it for like 20 inches to open up, so that should take care of that. Okay?
Okay.
And then, like you say, keep a little bit off the driveway, keep straight. You'll see it if you need to come to the right, come to the right.
All right, because I don't want fertilizing things where I don't want to grow
Correct.
grass.
We don't want them in the bed. We don't want them on the driveway, things like that.
Okay.
All right? Try.
All right.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go a little faster if you can. There you go. That looks great. I'm going to use the perimeter with the bucket, so I need you to go up and down nice and consistently, and take your time. Okay, Val, we're at the peat moss time now. So I like to just do it by hand, so what I'm going to do is break it up a little bit.
It seems really light.
Yes.
If it's windy, will it blow it all off? Do I have to water right away?
Yes, keep it wet.
Okay.
That's the trick, is keeping it wet.
Okay.
Just a little, see that?
Just light coverage.
A light coverage, exactly. What do you think, Val?
I'm amazed at all the work that we got done.
Yeah, you did a nice job, real
Looks
nice
great.
job. But we got it all done. We aerated, top dressed it with some compost, fertilizer and seed, and then we finished it off with the peat moss, okay?
It looks great. Yeah, I can't wait till the grass comes up.
Yep, give it about 8 to 10 days.
Okay.
I need you to do me a favor, if you can water it for me every day. And then if you can sneak in there, maybe a noon watering would be great too. And you'll see the difference, you know, the lightness now, but when you water it, it'll be that dark maroon color we talked about.
All right, I will do my best.
Okay, good. Nice talking to you.
Okay.
Thank you very much. We'll
Thank
see you
you.
soon.
It's great meeting you.
Bye-bye now.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.